Ladies and gentlemen, dear esteemed logistics colleagues. You're listening, Strategic Logistics Insights podcast. I hope you enjoyed the previous chapters and found them useful. If so, let's continue navigating the world of strategic logistics management. Welcome to the new episode. So, let me give a bit of information about the third chapter. If we recall the second chapter, in which I gave brief information in the last episode, various commercial changes are addressed in the framework of the logistics function. However, logistics plays a critical role for businesses to exist and excel, as well as for individuals as customers and national economies. Businesses require an effective and efficient logistics system to respond to their customers' demands and expectations, to ensure the continuity of product and service production activities, and to realize all of these activities at the lowest total cost. As a result of this flow, today our new destination is Episode 3, which focuses on logistics management in businesses. This chapter discusses the significance, objectives, and advantages of logistics activities for firms. In order to carry out their logistics activities effectively and efficiently, firms traditionally design a system that begins with the customer's demands and concludes with the fulfillment of their demands. This method, however, merely results in the establishment of a downstream system while ignoring the upstream segment before the focal company. Nowadays, we know that the basis of the system should be established in order to provide an effective and efficient product flow from suppliers to customers in order to fulfill what the consumers need. As many know, the main purpose of logistics management in businesses is to achieve a production or marketing objective determined in line with business strategies at the lowest total cost. In order to achieve this goal, the business must successfully achieve some objectives at the operational level as well. In this context, it is desired for businesses to establish a high-quality, traceable and sustainable quick response system that works with the lowest total operational cost. The existence of such a logistics system generates value for both customers and the business, as well as providing a competitive advantage for the business, thanks to the time and space benefit it provides to customers by ensuring an effective movement of goods towards customers. Because logistics is a crucial business resource and capability that has effects on the financial performance of the business. However, as I have vaguely emphasized, while the logistics system provides these benefits to businesses, it undoubtedly also causes some costs. Therefore, while reducing the costs of these activities within the value chain to the minimum possible level, it is critical to establish and operate an optimal logistics service network that will provide the flow of products effectively and efficiently without sacrificing response time to the customer in order to increase the performance of the chain. This system, which will be established to create value for customers and the business, consists of components such as logistics mode, vehicle, route, fee, insurance, documents, and process, also referred to as the logistics mix. In order to establish a logistics system that will reduce costs to an optimum level within the framework of these components, it is necessary to first plan this system, then create the elements of supply logistics, production logistics, and distribution logistics, and finally establish a return logistics system that can respond to return needs. While this established logistics system works in coordination with the business system of which it is a subsystem and other for the business such as accounting, production, and marketing, in order to achieve the stated objectives, it must also operate its own subsystems effectively and efficiently in a coordinated and simultaneous manner and reach the targets determined at the subsystem level. In this context, the logistics system moves, stores, and controls the inputs it receives from its environment for the needs of other systems of the business. Likewise, it receives products that have been processed by other systems of the business and distributes them to ensure customer satisfaction. In order to integrate this flow, it is necessary to first run the order processing process, then carry out purchasing, production and provisioning activities, inventory management for both raw materials and finished products, and carry out the transportation operations needed at various parts of the process. So, how will all these activities be carried out and coordinated? Businesses can distribute all these logistics processes to the responsibilities of different departments or integrate them into a single logistics unit. In addition, this logistics unit or department can be designed centrally or can be implemented within the logistics units in different departments and geographical units of the business, which means decentralized. Okay. You've heard too much about the third chapter. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on this journey. I am going to schedule new episodes to share more insights from my book with you. See you in the next episodes. Goodbye.